Good day to you all. Today I'm going to do the chapter 2 of the grade 8 government syllabus, perimeter. What is perimeter? In your small classes also you have learned this lesson, perimeter. So today I'm going to continue the same, but an additional part is added. First of all, I must tell you, if my lesson today is not clear, you can watch my previous videos, the grade 7 videos. I have explained them better. Okay. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of lengths of all the sides of a closed rectilinear plane figure. You know what is a rectilinear plane figure. Rectilinear plane figure is an object, a plane figure, which is bounded by straight lines. Okay. What is the practical use of perimeter? Now assume that this is your home. Okay, you have a nice home like this, and this border of your home. Now you want to fix a fence around the border of your home. So how are you going to obtain the length? Yeah, you have to get the perimeter of your land. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance when we walk around the object. If you obtain the perimeter of your land, simply you can know how many meters of the fence or how the length of the fence you want to cover up your land. Basically, we are going to talk about the perimeter of square, rectangle and a triangle. Just to revise you the formulas, perimeter of a square of side length L, then there are 4 sides. You know, in a square all the 4 sides are equal, so perimeter is walking around the border of the object. There are 4 sides, then L plus L plus L plus L, 4L. Then perimeter of a square is 4 times its side. Then in rectangle, you know, only the opposite sides are equal, and this length is x they have given, breadth is y they have given. So the perimeter is x plus y plus x plus x. So you can simply say 2x plus 2y. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle, you know what an equilateral triangle is. All the 3 sides of the triangle are equal, then a plus a plus a, 3a. If the sides are not equal in the normal triangle, you get a plus b plus c. Okay, right. We are focusing mainly on this part, perimeter of a composite plane figure. What is a composite plane figure? The composite plane figure is made by joining 2 or more other rectilinear plane figures. This is the most simple one. You have joined 2 rectangles. Okay. Now forget this part. Think about this part. Okay. Assume that only this part is there. Then how are we going to find the perimeter? If we start from here, we go this way, come down, back this way, and up to the starting point. Here we have 2 rectangles. Now think that these 2 are joined. Okay. And then we have to go this way, this side, and come back to the initial point. So shall we calculate the perimeter? It's 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, then again 10, that means 22, plus 2, 24. Okay, see we have 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, then we get 24. Remember that. Keep this in your mind very clearly. You don't add this part when when finding the perimeter of a composite plane figure. You have to omit one part. Okay, keep that in your mind. if we are going to find the area of something, we are going to directly add this part and this part. But when finding perimeters, we can't do that. Okay, we can't add the perimeter of this and get the direct answer. No, you can't do that. Okay, so you have to fix this like this, omit this part and find it properly. Okay, think about this figure. Okay, shall we start from here? Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. This way we go and come back to the initial position. Then we get the perimeter of the figure as 24. Actually, the same rectangles are used here also. Although the same answer comes as the perimeter, we cannot always say that when these two are joined, always the perimeter is the same value. Okay, now let's try to calculate the perimeter of this one. We'll start from here. 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, how it comes? The answer comes as 23 centimeters. In this figure also, we'll start from this point. 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6. What is the answer? 40 centimeters. Here also we are going around the border. You cannot find the perimeter of this triangle separately, perimeter of this rectangle separately and let them. You cannot do that. Keep that in your mind very clearly. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please mention them in your comments. We will give solutions as soon as possible. Okay, stay with us for more lessons. Thank you for watching once again.